Hello guys, this is Shambhu Mitra. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to provide you all a full lecture series of these subjects. First I will start with engineering mechanics, thereafter I will complete the remaining subject. So are you ready to be a part of my journey? If it's yes, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest update. Now let's get started. So this is the syllabus of engineering mechanics which I am going to deal with, and the system of force, free body diagram, equilibrium equation and internal forces in structure. Internal forces in structure means process. These two I am going to study, or we are going to deal with again in structural analysis and strength of materials. Then it comes friction, it's also an important part. Center of mass and free vibration of an untapped SDOF system. It is the newly added part. It has been added by Bombay IIT for GATE 2021. I am going to cover it too. And the two things I am going to tell you right now, that those who are watching me right now, you need to do two things. The first one is make notes. Make it notes properly. Whatever I say in the lecture, write it down on your copy properly and fairly. And on the first page, write the syllabus. Then the second thing, this one is more important than first one. That is consistency. So, you guys have to be more consistent. See, I am assuming that you know nothing. You know nothing in this subject. So, I am going to teach you from the basics. So, you just need to do two things properly. You have to be consistent and follow my lectures regularly and make a fair note. So now we need to know what is the meaning of mechanics. No engineering mechanics, not a fluid mechanics, just only mechanics. See, no one going to ask you the definition of mechanics, but you need to know for your knowledge what is the meaning of mechanics. So mechanics is a part of engineering which deals with the effect of force or forces, means a number of force or multiple number of force acting on a body. So the effect of force or forces on any kind of body. And whether the body is in rest or in motion. So mechanics is a part of engineering that deals with the effects of force or forces on any kind of body, whether it's in rest or in motion. So here I mentioned that any kind of body. So now we need to know the types of body we have. Just write it down step by step. First one is rigid body. Then deformable body. Then it comes fluid body. So what is the meaning of rigid body. So rigid body means, see, a body consists of numerous particles, and there is a distance between the one particles to another particles. After applying an external agent F, assuming it force, if this distance x changes x dx, so now the distance between these two particles is x plus dx. If it changes, then it's called deformable body. The shape and size is not constant. After applying force, and if the distance between two particles is constant, then it is called rigid body, where the shape and size is constant. So in the universe, no body is rigid body, because every body has some deformation or change in length, weight, shape. It comes fluid body, the body which has number of movable particles. Is known as fluid body. It has no particular shape or size. No particular shape and size. The example is gas or liquid. Here is the classification of mechanics based on the types of body. As earlier I have discussed about the types of body. There are three types of body. We have rigid body, deformable body and fluid body. The mechanics in which we are going to deal with rigid body is known as rigid body mechanics, and the part of mechanics in which we deal with deformable body is known as deformable body mechanics, and the part of mechanics or branch of mechanics in which we deal with the fluid body is known as fluid body mechanics. The rigid body mechanics here is known as engineering mechanics. And the deformable body mechanics is known as strength of material or solid mechanics. And the fluid body mechanics is known as fluid mechanics. As I said earlier that in engineering mechanics every body is a rigid body. So if I say body in the engineering mechanics lecture, you have to consider it as a rigid body. So here is the classification of mechanics based on state of body: static and dynamics. Static, when body is in rest, and dynamic, when body is in motion. Dynamic also divided in two parts, kinematic and kinetic. In kinematic part, we do not deal with the cause of force. We only deal with the effect of force. Means displacement, velocity, acceleration. These are the result of force. So we will deal with the effect of force but not with the cause of force. And in kinetic, we are going to deal with the cause of force, not acceleration, displacement or velocity. Here I am going to sum up all the introduction part. So, engineering mechanics is a part or branch of engineering where we are going to deal with effect of force or forces on rigid body. Mind it, on rigid body, not any kind of body which I have told in the case of mechanics. Rigid body which is in state or rest or motion. So, engineering mechanics is divided into two parts, static and dynamic. Static deals with the body, those are in rest, and dynamic deals with the body, those are in motion. So, here I am going to end my today's lecture. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.